Hi guys, myself Prashant Wakhare, Department of Information Technology, AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today I am going to discuss the concept of discrete mathematics, that is Prim's algorithm. So this Prim's algorithm, this concept is developed by under the spanning trees concept. So if you want to implement the spanning trees concept, then this concept we will implement by using the two algorithm. First one is the Prim's algorithm and second one is the Kruskal's algorithm. So before going to discuss the Prim's algorithm, you should know the what is the spanning tree. The spanning tree means we know that a subgraph, suppose subgraph is H of graph G, is the spanning subgraph of G. If phi of G is equal to phi of H, means phi of graph is equal to phi of subgraph. Now define the spanning subgraph by using the tree. The spanning subgraph tree of a connected graph G is said to be the spanning tree of G if T is a tree. In other words, a subgraph T of a graph G is said to be the spanning tree if phi of T is equal to phi of G. Then we will see the finding the spanning trees. So there are the basic algorithm for the finding minimum cost spanning tree, and both are the greedy algorithm. First one is the Prim's algorithm and second one is the Kruskal's algorithm. Means minimum spanning tree are using in constructing or design a network of roads, railway lines, TV cable line, telephone lines and electric lines, etc. for connecting number of cities or objects. The connector problem is to design a network that connects all required stations such that the total cost of construction is least. So see the finding spanning trees. So there are the two algorithms, Prim's algorithm and Kruskal's algorithm. The scientist name of the Robert C. Prim, he had developed the Prim's algorithm, and the scientist name of the Joseph Kruskal, he had developed the Kruskal's algorithm. The both algorithms is greedy algorithms. See these examples, we model the situation as a network, then the problem is to find the minimum connector for the network. So if we want to solve this minimum connector for the networks, then we will use the concept of the spanning trees, and these spanning trees we will implement by using the two algorithms like the Prim's algorithm and Kruskal's algorithm. So today's lecture, today's presentation, we will see the what is the minimum spanning tree for this network. To see this is the Prim's algorithm. So first we will see, select any vertex A. This is the first step. Then after the selection of the vertex, then select the shortest edge connected to that vertex. So suppose if I select the A vertex, this A vertex is connected to the A to B, A to F and A to E. But we have to select the shortest edge connected to that vertex. The shortest edge is the A to B. This distance is this weight is the 3 only. So therefore we will select this A to B. Next step, select the shortest edge connected to any vertex already connected. So this A to B already is connected. Then this B vertex is connected to the B to F. This weight is the 8, and this B to C, this weight is a 5. And another end of the vertex A, this vertex is connected to the A to F and A to E. A to F distance is the 7 and A to E is the 4. So as compared to this B vertex connected and A vertex, so A2 is the shortest edge, then we will select this A2E, that is the 4. Next, select the shortest edge connected to any vertex already connected. Now this vertex is connected to the A, then B and also the E. If you see this A to F, this distance is the 7, this B to F, this distance is the 8, B to C is the 5 and E to D is the 2. So therefore we will select the shortest edge connected to any vertex already connected, then we will select this ED, ED is the 2. Next one is select the shortest edge connected to any vertex already connected, then we will select this D to C. So this is the shortest edge connected to any vertex. Select the next step, select the shortest edge connected to any vertex already connected, then we will select this E to F, this is the shortest, this is the 5. And lastly, all vertices have been connected. Our aim is to visit every vertex. The solution is the AB is a 3, AE is a 4, ED is a 2, DC is a 4, E to F is a 5. The total weight of these trees is the 18. So finding the minimum distance, minimum spanning tree, there is the one condition that there will be no any cycle, yeah, or no any circuit. The complexity of the Prim's algorithm is outer loop is n minus 1 times and inner loop is n times. So this complexity is the big O of n square. Thank you.